Hello friends, now we see the problem number 7, which is also based on rules of differentiation of chapter differentiation. The problem number 7 is y equal to 2x raised 9 upon 3 minus 5 upon 7 into x cube plus 6x raised 7 minus x. For this question, we have to find dy by dx at x equal to 1. Now let's see the solution. First of all, we start with y equal to 2x raised 9 upon 3 minus 5x raised 3 upon 7 plus 6x raised 7 minus x. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x, we get derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2x raised 9 upon 3 minus d by dx of 5x cube upon 7 plus d by dx of 6x raised 7 and minus d by dx of x. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to, here we 2 by 3 is a constant term, so we take outside the derivative sign. So we get 2 by 3 into d by dx of x raised 9 minus 5 upon 7 into derivative of x cube plus 6 times derivative of x raised 7 and minus d by dx of x. So the next step will be, therefore dy by dx is equal to 2 by 3 constant term we write as it is, derivative of x raised 9 is 9x raised 8, then minus 5 upon 7 as it is, derivative of x cube is 3x square plus 6 into derivative of x raised 7 is 7x raised 6 and finally minus derivative of x is 1. So on simplifying further, we have dy by dx is equal to, now here 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So 3 into 2 gives us 6 into x raised 8 minus 5 into 3 15 upon 7 into x square plus 6 into 7, that 42 into x raised 6 and finally minus 1. The next step will be dy by dx at a point x equal to 1. So that equal to, it means whenever x we have to substitute 1. So is equal to 6 in bracket 1 raised 8 minus 15 upon 7 in bracket 1 square plus 42 in bracket 1 raised 6 and finally minus 1 we write as it is. So that equal to, now 1 raised any power is 1. So we have 1 raised 8, that gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 6, we get 6. Minus 1 square 1, then into 15 by 7. So we get minus 15 by 7. 1 raised 6 gives us 1 multiplied by 42. So we get plus 42 and finally minus 1. So that equal to now 6 plus 42 that gives 48. 48 minus 1 it means 47 minus 15 upon 7. So on cross multiplying we get now 47 into 7, so 7 into 7 49, carry 4, then 7 into 4 28 plus 4 32 minus 15 whole thing divided by 7. So on simplifying further we get now 9 minus 5 gives 4, 2 minus 1 1, and we write 3 as it is divided by 7. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.